In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or create a subtask in Jira. Understanding how to manage and organize tasks within a project using Jira can greatly enhance your workflow and productivity. So whether you're a team leader, project manager, or just someone looking to streamline their workflow, learning to create subtasks is a vital skill to have. Let's dive in and get started with the steps. To begin, head over to the project you want to work with. This is where it all starts. By selecting the correct project, you ensure that any subtasks are associated with the right tasks and objectives. Now, once you're inside your chosen project, you will see a navigation menu at the top. From this menu, go ahead and click on Issues. This will take you to the section where all your current tasks, subtasks, bugs, and other issue types are listed. Next, you need to identify and open the specific Jira issue where you intend to add a subtask. This is important because the subtask you're about to create will be directly related to this main issue. Once you've identified the right issue, click on it to open it, ensuring you're on the correct page. Once the Jira issue is open, look for the Add button, which is nestled conveniently under the issue's name. This button is your gateway to adding multiple elements to your issue, and in this case a subtask. Click on it and a drop-down menu will likely appear, offering several options for additions. From this drop-down, you'll want to select Child Issue. This step is crucial because it specifically denotes that what you're adding is subordinate or connected to the main parent issue you've opened. It's like saying this task is a part of that larger task, which helps in maintaining clarity and organization across your workflow. With the child issue template now open, you can proceed to enter the details for this subtask. Be as specific as possible here, provide a comprehensive description of what needs to be done, assign it to the right team member, and perhaps give it a label or due date to further categorize it. The clearer the details, the easier it will be for everyone involved to follow the progress and ensure the subtask is completed efficiently. Finally, after you have filled out all the necessary information, look for the Create button and click it. This action confirms and saves your new subtask, incorporating it into your broader task management system within Jira. And there you have it, you've successfully created a subtask within Jira, enhancing your project management capabilities. By following these steps carefully, you can ensure that your tasks are well organized and your team members know precisely what they need to tackle. Remember, effective task management is all about clarity and organization, and Jira's subtask feature is an excellent tool to help achieve just that. Thanks for watching and happy task managing.